Have you ever been interested in one of those click chairs, but didn't want to spend that much money? Well, that is me, definitely. And if you're new here, I am Rachel, and this is my outdoor adventure review channel. I went on Amazon like so many people do, and I found this option. It looked to be very well made, and the price was right. It was originally $100, but it was 30% off. So I got it for $65. Well, as you can see, I already opened it. The company is TCEK. It has an R in it, kind of like my logo. Or maybe that's a P. I don't know. Anyway, make your outdoor life enjoyable. Designed by TCEK team. Okay. Yeah. I opened it up. Oh. Here are the instructions on some of the Amazon reviews I watched. It said read the instructions because people are not reading the instructions, and that's why it's not working for them. Well, I did that, and I'm just gonna say right off the bat, this did not work for me. We're gonna put the instructions in there because they don't tell us anything. Here's the carrying bag. It actually is a very nice quality carrying bag, and as you can see, it is quite compact. The material is great. I really am impressed with the material. Like, look at this stitching, this cross stitching. It's heavy duty. You open it up. It looks like nice branding. It's got a good strap. The strap stays on, which I think is helpful because then you're not going to lose it. So it's just kind of like an umbrella. All right. It opens up. These that open up here are the back and the bottom of the chair. You've got the back and the bottom, and then these are the legs. And they also have a strap that I'm going to undo. And be careful because those do just pop out like that. And again, that's a really nice quality strap. The feet look good. Here is the seat. Now the instructions say, and I'm going to do just as the instructions said, to pull it out. Okay. That was easy. All right. I'm going to do the other. That's the bottom of the seat. I'm going to do the other bottom of the seat. You can kind of already see the problem. I am not exaggerating. Okay. Okay. And now for the back. Now the back has two levels, two heights, I should say. So we'll do one. Easy. Popped right open, popped right in. And then, okay, this one is already, no, that's the bottom. This is the other top, the back, pops in. And now we will go up the second height. Let me try the other one. Okay, so when I first opened this up, this is where I put it on the floor and I used my foot to brace myself against the chair to get it open. So Let me just show you how I did that. So I stepped here on the leg. All right. And then pulled it up. Okay. That one is locked in. But look. Do you see that? That's a bend. Okay, let's do the other side. So, it has a wide, very wide seat, but look at how every side is pulling super, super, super tight. Do you see those wrinkles? How tight that is? Okay, I'm gonna sit in it. Oh, that's one other reason I bought this, is because it swivels. $65 and it swivels, and I think it holds 300 pounds. That or 250. I knew I saw 300 pounds somewhere, so I checked the Amazon listing, and there it was. However, on the chair tag, it shows only 225 pounds. It's hard to get out of. It's not, I've never had one of these type of chairs, but it's not your traditional chair where you can lean forward and get up and out. It's very tippy. But the swivel is smooth. It works really well. The seat doesn't really go in that deep, so I'm just kind of like lounged at an angle. I don't love that. But, I mean, you could sit up. You know, you could sit up and it would be fine. So yeah, this chair is getting returned, unfortunately. I thought the price was really, really great. It was going to be way more compact than the chair that I usually bring with me camping. But to get it open and closed, we'll take a look at that, it's just too much effort. Too much effort. Let's get some far away shots of me sitting in here. And I'll show you what I mean. Again, a very nice wide seat. But the butt doesn't go deep enough. Did I break it? Maybe I won't be returning it. Oh, please. Oh no. I don't see anything. Seems to be okay. Let me sit in this one more time. This is not a level seating area. Yeah, this doesn't feel right. Okay. Well, okay, there we have it. Yeah, there we have it. I will not be returning this because my fat butt broke it spinning too fast. Who's not going to spin fast in it? It's a swivel. But it couldn't take the pressure. It couldn't take the pressure. Yeah. Dang it. At least I'm only out $65 and not $100. So, but I can still show you though popping it, collapsing it, and how difficult that is. See this thing? You see this? I need like a screwdriver, and only because I have nails can I do that. Oh, well, one way that you actually do collapse these is by lifting it up, right? You lift it up to give yourself a little bit more leverage, leeway. But again, the material is so tight that there's no place to go. You cannot go up. Okay? So you just have to hope that your fingers are flat enough to get it to close. So once you get it past the hurdle of not having the material stretched so tight, you're in business. Here's the final two. That hurts. Oh man, let me try to pull it up. Is there a rock? There's a broken leg. So let me do that. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so that is the TCEK chair. I would love to hear what you thought of this review, what you think of this product. If you've used any chairs like this, please let me know. I am in the market for one of these. I was going to say if I need to buy a click, I will, but I don't like those Amazon reviews and some of those pictures of, this area here breaking on those pictures. So anyway, that wraps it up for this video. Please stay tuned for my next review. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.